In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories to your Wix blog. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go in your Wix dashboard and how to create clear, organized categories that make your blog easier to navigate for your readers. Let's get started right from your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in and you've selected the site you want to work on, look for the section related to your blog. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a sidebar with different options. Find the one labeled blog and click on it. This is where you manage everything related to your blog posts, settings, and organization. After clicking on blog, you'll be taken to the blog overview area. Here you can usually see your posts, drafts, and other blog tools. What we want to focus on now is the way your content is organized. In this same sidebar, or in the blog area, look for the option called Categories. Go ahead and click on Categories. You might notice categories appear more than once, for example in a submenu or as a tab inside the blog section. If you see it again, click on Categories one more time. This will open the dedicated categories page for your blog. This page is where all of your existing categories will be listed, and it's also where you can create new ones. Once you're on the categories page, look for a button or link that says Create Categories or New Category. Click on that. This is the main step where you actually add your new category. A small window or panel will open, asking for details like the category name, and sometimes a description or image, depending on the current Wix interface. Take a moment to type in a clear descriptive name. For example, if you write about design, you might add categories like web design, branding, or tutorials. Think about how your readers will browse your content and choose names that make sense at a glance. If there's a description field, you can use it to clarify what belongs in that category, which helps you stay consistent as you publish more posts. When you're happy with the name and other details, confirm or save the category. Your new category is now ready to be assigned to your blog posts. From here, you can repeat the process to create as many categories as you need, keeping your content organized and easy to explore.